Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about an interesting company called Asian Granito. So they are again a ceramic wall and floor manufacturing type company. So almost similar to Sarah Sanitary Ware as well as Kajaria. So what makes this company unique is that so they are again a 600 crore market cap company, but they are again making a sales of close to 1,300 crores. So now you might wonder how can a company with 1,300 crores can again trade at a market cap of again 600 crores because uh, over the last 5 years now the company's sales has been quite flat. So where again they have almost grown only at a CAGR rate of 5%, and with regard to last year they haven't grown much. So which is quite interesting. Like when most companies have reported negative growth, this company has almost maintained equivalent revenue compared to March 2020. So when I see the operating margins of this company, so it's again fluctuating between 25% to 7%, and it has increased to 11%. So likewise, we understand that this company might be susceptible to raw materials and fuel prices, and also they don't have complete control over their cost structure, which needs to be very carefully monitored and has a significant impact on their margins because now since if the fuel price and the raw material prices increase, it has a significant impact on the complete bottom line of Asian Granito. And this also has been confirmed by ICRA. They are again a credit rating agency where they have mentioned that the profitability changes in raw material and fuel prices, and so they don't have complete advantage, right? So where AGL is completely vulnerable in terms of its cost structure, where again to shield the profitability, the management adopted a cost restraining strategies, which along with softened the gas price elevated margin to 11%, right? So only to an extent they can again control, but they will not be able to completely control the cost structure, but the company is again taking proper measures to stabilize the profitability. And also, what I found about this industry is that so there is a complete competition, like where there are established players like Sierra, Kajaria, Ceramics, and so many Ceramics Limited and Orient Bell as well, where again they have a significant distribution network, and mostly again this industry is quite fragmented and dominated by unorganized sector. So now post GST again, there has been a complete moderation in demand and continued slowdown in real estate sector, which resulted in degrowth or subdued growth in this industry. But now, since the real estate prices are also going up, and also the existing capacities in real estate is also gradually coming down in different cities across India. So what I feel is in the next 5 years again, the real estate might again come back since most of the commodity prices have gone up. So now this might partly contribute to growth in real estate sector, which could be a good bet to take in the next 3 to 5 years. And also again, this company again they are again having a high working capital intensity, like where if we see this financial analysis chart, almost it takes 112 days. That's completely huge, like where again in March 2013 the receivables days were almost close to 2 months, but now it has increased to 4 months, which is quite alarming for a company which takes 4 months to recover its payments, where they might face again working capital problems. And also again, in terms of their market cap, they were again a 100 crore company in the year 2008, and today they are almost 600 crores, which is almost a 6x growth in their market cap over the last 10 years. And also again, another interesting aspect that I found is that they have a cash of around 65, and almost the company is taking the right measures to bring down the debt. And in addition, they are again, the promoters are increasing their stake in the company, which is also a positive thing in terms of the company's growth. So personally, I don't have any holdings in this company, but I will give this track this company over the next 2 quarters before I make a buy or sell decision. So please feel free to include your comments about this company in the below the video so that we will discuss about this in detail. I hope you find this video useful and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.